Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you new to WooCommerce? In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up and use the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress to start selling products online quickly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, for WooCommerce and WordPress, there's a couple of ways to add that. Well, the first thing is WooCommerce itself. When you go to woocommerce.com, such as this one, for example. So when you try to create an account with them, and basically you create a store with WooCommerce, it's eventually gonna take you to WordPress. There is no hesitation in that. So WooCommerce is always gonna be a part of WordPress community plugins. So WooCommerce would not exist without WordPress. If I click right here, as you can see, create my account, continue. This, as you can see, is taking me to WooCommerce. And basically, if I went to my stores right here, you will find Connect Store. And here you should add the store that you have in WordPress. So if you didn't do that, well, unfortunately, that will not happen. Of course, as you can see here, there is other solutions, but yeah, it is limited to WordPress, unfortunately. Let's go back here. What if you were all the way around? You were in WordPress and you wanted to add WooCommerce. Then in this process, then in this situation, you need to actually go to the plugin section and click on Add New. This will open this page. The page is basically the marketplace or the library of plugins that exists in WordPress. What you will have to do is to simply search for WooCommerce. After searching for it, you will find the plugin. Now, the plugin will not match my version of WordPress as I'm using it on a local host, and basically I can't really use it in my situation. Well, what you will have to do is to simply click right here. Instead of more details, you will find Install Now, and basically you will be able to install it. Also, there is another method to install it, which is basically if you had the plugin, but then you will have sometimes the zip file, so you can upload it to your store. So you could go right here, upload file, choose file, or simply drag and drop the plugin right here, click on install now, and you will find your installed plugins right here. Now, unfortunately for me, I can't really activate it since it doesn't match my WordPress version. So yeah, it's unfortunate. Now, how can we use WooCommerce in WordPress, and what are the user situations? Well, WooCommerce is the main store gateway for you in WordPress. When you're talking about store or e-commerce or selling stuff, WooCommerce always comes up first. So what does it give you as functionalities? Well, it allows you to do a couple of things. Well, first of all, it allows you to sell products. It helps you so much when it comes to that, as you can see here. So you can add products, you can add taxes to the product, you can choose the payment gateway, you could do a lot of things using it. So it's very good. It's very helpful when it comes to the first stages of the store, which is very important. It gives you the ability to add products. The product page creation is very simple. As you can see right here, we have WooCommerce. So this is how it looks when you download the plugin. So this is the menu. Click on WooCommerce and you'll find a list of menus, list of menu, which is split between all products, add new categories, tags, attributes, and reviews. Now you could click on our product to view simply all your products. And from that specific page, you will be able to click on Add New, as you can see right here. When you click on Add New, the process is simple. It's simply just filling up the page with information about the product that you are willing to sell. It has to have a name, a description, an image, taxes, weights, variations, and basically, of course, the price, if it has a discount or not, quantity, and the delivery locations and delivery prices for each location. Of course, these are all optional options. The only important options that you have to fill, the name and basically the price. Otherwise, you could leave everything else empty. But of course, more informations, more potential clients. That is very important. So as you can see here, this is how it looks, the product page. If you didn't fill it with information, so it's going to be uh, a, an image which is a default image, a product name, the description, category, and product description. As you can see here, if you went down, you will be able to actually view it more. So also there is a couple of things that you can edit, such as the visibility. You can make the visibilities like private or draft. You can even make the permalink, which is the link that takes you to the specific price, like to the specific product, customized. So you could change the link URL and basically put whatever you want in it. Also here we'll find the product image. You should add a product image to have more people attracted and visualize your products in a good spot. Also you will find the product gallery, which allows you to basically add multiple images so you can view every single angle of the specific product that you're selling in case it was important. For example, here we have clothes. So clothes are very important when it comes to angles, so people can actually know how it would look on them. So that's nothing to hesitate to add. It will be much more appreciated by your clients. Here's some other options like the product data. This is so optional, so you don't have to go through it, but yeah, it's very important to add it. In case you had delivery, you will have to like international delivery and such stuff, then you'll always have to add couple of taxes, couple of prices, so you will not be on a lose, you will always be on profit. So in case you had like charges, if you were going to send it outside of your country, then of course you should add these charges right here, so the clients can be paying for the delivery and other stuff, of course. So here, as you can see, this is the regular price and this is the selling price. As I said, here this tax status, taxable. You could add the tax class in another page. The tax class is basically you could create a class for specific products. For example, if there was tax of 20%, you could create a class for it. If there was a class of product that has 10%, you can create a class for it. And simply here you will be having this list with 20 and 10 that you have created, and choose this product which tax class it is included in, and the tax will be added automatically in the checkout page. Here it comes the inventory. With inventory you will have to add basically the SKU and the stock status. So in case you had a specific quantity, of course make sure to add it by checking this box. Then there is the shipping information and attribute like weight, etc. And yeah, this is basically it for the WooCommerce. There is of course more than that, like the payment gateways, but in case you would like us to talk about them in the next upcoming videos, make sure to mention them. And yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial.